Hello students, welcome back to RSG Online 2021. Today we are speaking on the slide 25, that is on meaning of induction. As you all know that this is relating to BBA program, the third semester affiliated to Bangalore University. Now let me recapitulate. In my earlier video I have discussed about the problems involved in the placement, and now we are moving towards what is called as induction. Now quickly move on to the learning objectives of this. It provides information about the meaning of induction. It tells you what is induction and how the induction should carry out and how important it is. It also facilitates the definitions and importance of the same in any organization. Yes. And let's move on to the meaning now. Induction is a process for welcoming the newly recruited employees and supporting them to adjust to their new roles and working environments. Yes, students. Induction refers to, it's like almost like welcoming the new people for the new environment. So once you are recruited, once you are placed in an organization, now you feel embarrassed with the new environment. See, it's like you may also have a feeling of understanding or knowing about so many things in your workplace. So induction is that kind of a program which is organized by the organization, wherein they make the newcomers or the newly recruited employees to feel comfortable with the roles or with the working environments. It is a process of introducing a new employee to his or her job and organizations. Look at this. It is a process of introducing. First they introduce you about your role, what exactly you are supposed to do in the organization, about your job and the organization, and giving him all necessary information required to start his work. This is very important because once it is taken to the organization, placed in the organization, it's highly important for the worker to tell them about what exactly their role to play there. The purpose of induction is to welcome a new employee and inform them about the organizational culture, introduce them to the team and the co-workers. Very important, students. The organizational culture tells us about, what kind of the policies, the procedures they follow, and what kind of that work atmosphere, the working culture they have. It could be relating to the timing, or it could be relating to the dress code. All these things comes to your knowledge there, and introduce them to their team and co-workers who are all working with you. About them also you will get all information. Give them an understanding of their job, help them understand how their work will be connected to his co-workers, and informing him about the policies of the organization. This is very important because all the workers should be given an opportunity to understand about other worker, co-worker. This is an opportunity wherein you become very, little friendly. It is like all that embarrassment of the new atmosphere will go, and you start feeling like you're friendly with the new culture or the new setup and all that. And induction helps to reduce the anxiety of the new entrant. That's what I told you. It reduces the anxiety of the newcomer in an organization, so that yes, it is feel a sense of belongingness in the organization. That is what I say. You start feeling like you're very friendly, and you feel like a sort of belongingness in the organization, which is very important. Let's move on to the definitions of this. Generally, the concerned department or authorities do the job of induction to the new employee. Induction can be defined as planned introduction of the organization, staff, and the job to the newly placed employee. It is a planned introduction. It's not like vaguely we are doing. So we are taken to every, the co-worker or the area of work, so that you will understand how best you can go through or you do this. According to Michael Armstrong, the induction is a process of receiving and welcoming an employee when he first joins a company and giving him the basic information he needs to settle down quickly and happily and start the work. So my very first day, see, look at this. So nice to see. Induction. Once an employee is selected and placed on an appropriate job, the process of familiarizing him with the job and the organization is known as induction. It should cover 3 specified areas. That's what I told you. What are the 3 specified areas? It is a corporate culture, policies and procedures, safety, benefits, rights and responsibilities. Now these are the references I have made, students. You can go through it. And let's move on to the MCQs. That is, what is induction? Introducing machines to other employees, introducing newly placed employees to others, introducing the new workplace to all employees, and none of this. Of course, it is introducing the newly placed employees to others. So, I have come to the session outcome at the end of this session video now. It has facilitated with the information relating to the induction program after the selection process takes place in an organization. Our students also come to know about the various definitions of inductions here. So I hope students this video has come to your help, and definitely you make use of this. Now log on to RSJ Online 2021 for further various sessions of human resource management.